Is your Infiniti QX60 showing a black screen when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Statistically, most of these display issues are just minor handshake errors between your phone and the infotainment system. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your screen back to normal. Start by swapping your cable, clearing the Bluetooth pairing, and performing a hard reset on the head unit. Often the culprit is just a dirty USB port, an outdated iOS, or a corrupted cache in the car software. If it still fails, try resetting your network settings on your iPhone or checking for a dealer firmware update. Most users fix this at home, but if the port is physically damaged, you will need a professional repair. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are solved by simple cable changes and system reboots. If you reach the end of this list, a dealer firmware update is the final step to restore connectivity. Keep a certified cable and some compressed air in your glove box to prevent these glitches from coming back. Remember, always try the simplest fix first before assuming you have a major hardware failure. Thanks for watching. If your screen is still black, let us know in the comments below.